Hey gamers, it's Kat here. So today I'm going to be getting into Elizabeth cosplay from 7 Deadly Sins. So I'm excited because I don't have to do makeup on this side of my face at all since half of her hair covers that side of the face. I only have to put contacts in one eye too. So it's going to be really fun and really fresh. So I'm going to go put contacts in on this eye. Well, technically I'm going to go put in contact. So now I know that I look kind of weird, but that's okay. I haven't said bald cat in a while. Also, I just have one lash that's like clumped and it looks kind of weird. Yeah, I'm gonna put on this pale tannish color like cap because I'm gonna film a lot next weekend. Well, actually not next weekend. I think just next week. Like next week, since I can't really film next week. First things first, I'm gonna put on concealer, just cause, which I really only have to do one side of my face, so that's good. So while I'm like doing stuff with my eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour. I haven't blended anything in yet, but I guess I'll do my lips while I wait, like lipstick, lip liner. So I'm gonna take some like cream highlighter and literally just use my finger because I'm weird. So, because all my other highlighters just don't do the job as well. So this cream highlighter that I've had for like 7 years will do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on like that. All the way up. Blush matters. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrow, my single eyebrow. I always try my hardest to do the eyeliner last. So, ooh, I just opened it on the wrong side and I got eyeliner on my finger. But it's finally the time that I have to do my eyeliner. So let's go ahead and do this. I accidentally put my concealer in the wrong container. But yeah, I really forgot how to do this. So I've been trying new eyeliner styles, so I'm hoping that this is similar enough to what it was when I cosplayed Mekon. If you guys are interested in that Mekon video, I'll put it in a little link in the description. Or just go on my channel and check. It's literally my last video. But yeah, if you're interested, go check it out. Also, consider subscribing. So if you have been watching me for a while and you like my videos, consider clicking the subscribe button because it would mean a lot to me. And there we go. And once I've done that, I would put mascara on. I accidentally just shook my phone. Yes, I still film videos on a phone. Let's put on mascara and hopefully I can fix this clump right there. Okay, it's still not fixed, but I can fix it when I'm washing my face. Okay, I'm gonna put the costume on, which I'm kind of scared to do. I got the costume on and I'm literally freezing since it's a crop top. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lashes, which are just these very short ones. Well, technically I only have to put on one lash because I only did one eye. Okay, while that's drying and I'm literally squinting, I'm going to do my highlighter under my eyes. So I'm using this color right there. I don't really do like a white, it's like a glittery cream color. We'll just have to deal with it being a little long and that's okay. So let's put the wig on. So this is kind of an odd wig, not gonna lie. So this is the finished product with the ring light and I fixed the bangs. And if you want to see this full video, you can follow my TikTok or you can follow my Instagram. And those will both be linked in the description. Bye guys!